This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your Firewall management tool with administrator rights. This grants the control you need. Once done, locate the app's executable path or service name so rules apply precisely to that program. Next, choose whether to block outbound traffic, inbound traffic, or both, and note any specific IP addresses or ports to restrict. Make sure to disable automatic rule overrides in security suites. This prevents other software from undoing your changes while you create the new rule. You now create the actual firewall rule. Pick program if you have the executable or port/custom when targeting network parameters. Then set the action to block or deny and select the correct protocol, TCP for most apps, UDP for streaming or games. After that, refine the scope by adding remote IPs, interfaces, or port ranges to avoid overblocking other services. Once configured, apply the rule to the correct profiles, public, private, domain, so behavior matches your network context and testing environment. You finish by applying the rule and restarting the target application or service so it reevaluates network permissions. Then verify the block with practical tests. Attempt the app's network action, use ping or view connection logs to confirm no outbound or inbound sessions succeed. If the app still connects, disable the rule temporarily and inspect firewall logs for matching entries. Make sure the executable path, profile, and priority are correct, and then adjust scope or add specific IPs to tighten the block without breaking other services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.